In this video, I will show you how to download and install Assassin's Creed 1 in PC. So let's jump straight into it. So if you're wondering if it's actually still possible to download and install the original Assassin's Creed 1 on your PC, I can tell you that you can still do this. Now to do this, you're going to need to download this and do this through Steam. So if you don't have Steam, what you can do is open up a new internet browser and you can come across to store.steampower.com, and from here you can see an option to install Steam. So what you want to do is install Steam if you don't have it already, and then go ahead and create an account. So here we are on the Steam app. Now to go ahead and download Assassin's Creed 1, what you want to do is make sure you're on the store. So if you look in the top left hand corner, you want to click onto store. Then what you need to do is come to the search box here and just go ahead and type Assassin's Creed and then press enter. So it's going to bring up all the different versions of Assassin's Creed. Now the original Assassin's Creed 1 is known now as Assassin's Creed Director's Cut. So you can see that's down here, the Assassin's Creed Director's Cut edition. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. That's going to take you across to the game information screen, and what you can do from here is just scroll down. You can see at the moment there's a special promotion on this, so for myself I'd only have to pay £2.14. And if you scroll down a bit further, you can just see some information about the game as well as the system requirements, which I would recommend checking before you go ahead and purchase and download the game. So if you're happy to download and your system meets the requirements, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top, and what you want to do is press the green add to cart button just here. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you just want to select purchase for myself. Then what you can do is choose how to pay for this game. Now you've got a number of different options available, and the options available depends on whereabouts in the world you are. For myself in the UK, you've got things like PayPal, Direct, Banking, PaySafeCard, Visa and MasterCard, as well as a ton of different options. So what you would do is click onto this drop down box to select your payment method. So I'm just going to go for my Steam wallet, and then what you would do is go ahead and enter your details into here. Once that's done, just go ahead and press the green continue button at the bottom, and as you can see it says working, and it's going to take us to this screen. Now because my Steam wallet balance is not high enough, this game is about £2, but I've only got 85p in my wallet. It's going to ask me to select a payment method for the remaining £1.29, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose that now. So I'm going to go for PayPal and just press continue at the bottom. Now if you're using PayPal, it's going to take you across to the PayPal screen and ask you to log in just to confirm this transaction. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, if you're paying with PayPal, all you need to do is select your card and then press the blue complete purchase button at the bottom. So once you've gone ahead and purchased the game, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto library, and this should now be added to your games library over here on the left hand side. By default the game should start installing automatically, however you can check this by clicking onto the game, and if it's not installing you can see a blue install button is going to appear just like this game. So we click onto the blue install button to install that onto your PC. Once the game's installed, it's going to change to a green play button. Then of course you can just press the play button and go ahead and play Assassin's Creed 1. So that's how to go ahead and download and install Assassin's Creed 1 in PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.